character, but I also feel kind of cute. So it kind of like balances it out, or I don't know. Whatever.
Kicked off my shoes, dashed it in the ring. My jacket is the case to my brother as the king. The richest man rocks the snatch.
Hi, my name is Natalie and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing another thrift haul. Yeah. I mean, not another, like I only have one other thrift haul on my channel. So it's not like I'm making like a bunch of them. But I maybe will in the future. So like, why am I saying this? I don't know. Anyways, we're doing a thrift haul today. I kind of have to warn you because now that I like put together all the pieces that I bought in those last couple months, I realized that they're kind of like ugly. Like the majority of them is like, you know, like I don't know words, like my vocabulary is just terrible, so that's why I'm like making all of these squeaky sounds, but we're gonna ignore that. Anyways, so yeah, I just wanted to tell you that like most of these clothes are not really like cute, but they're kind of like ugly cute, and I'm just gonna try my best to make them look cute and trendy and all of that. And yeah, you're gonna watch. Yay. So yeah, let's jump right into the video. Also, I tried to do like a really cool eyeshadow. I think I succeeded. See? Like, I think I kind of did like a good job, you know? I hope that like nobody that actually knows how to do makeup is watching this video, because I know that it's like not that good actually, but I mean, I feel cool. So that's what's important. Whatever, let's jump into this video. You can't see my head. So, hopefully you can see my head now. But yeah, look, this is the first thing. You already saw that in the intro, so it's gonna be quick. It's this dress. I actually didn't realize that it's kind of see-through because you can like see where the turtleneck is ending, you know? But we're just gonna ignore that. If I like, you know, play with the dress and I like put my hands in the front, you can't really see that, so that's cool. Also, it's not a dress, it's a nightgown, but we're just, you know, again, ignoring that, because why not? Why not wear this as a slip dress? Also, aren't like all slip dresses nightgowns, or are they like meant to be worn to the public even though it looks like a nightgown? I don't know. Like, I'm trying to know fashion, but I don't know. Oh, and it also cost me $2. So yeah, good. The next thing is this. It's a shirt. It's like a zebra print, but it's brown, so it's not. I don't really know. The more I look at it, the more I like it, but then it's like also still kind of weird. But I feel like it works with these pants. Oh, also, I just made a video on how to alter all of your pants. I altered these and they fit me perfectly now and they look cool. So yeah. I just had lunch and now I'm like being kind of hyperactive and my tummy hurts. Yay. So yeah. Pretty cool. And yeah, let's move to the next item. Next up, I have this skirt. I don't usually wear skirts like this, and I still don't know if I like it like this. But when I like, you know, grab it like that and like pose and stuff, I feel like a freaking goddess. I also had 2 coffees, so that doesn't help. But yeah, I feel like this is a look. But it's gonna be winter, so I don't know when I'm gonna wear this, but just for wearing it around my house, it's great. And I'm probably gonna wear it next summer, which is in like 10 months, so that's great. I am obsessed with this. I thrifted both of these pieces. First, these pants. I thrifted these and they were a little bit too big on me. I made a whole tutorial about how I alter all of my pants last week, so yeah, make sure to check it out. The link for it is somewhere here and also in the bio. So yeah, also I thrifted this beautiful like, look at the detailing. This is just such a beautiful blouse. I think I have this like after some grandma because it's kind of like, you know, that grandma chic style. If it's really after some grandma, great style. Like, I love this. Anyways, next one. Okay, so this is the next thing. It's getting super dark, so that's why I'm like speeding this up. Don't mind the pants. They need some serious ironing to do, but I'm too lazy. But yeah, this is the next thing. It's really ugly cute. Like, a lot of people could like really hate this, but I don't care because I like it. I like that it shows like where the threads are. That's been like super in lately. Plus I love the combination of green and purple, and it has like these purple fishes all around it. There's some in the back too. Also, I'm a Pisces, so like, you know, fish, a Pisces. You get it? Yeah, it's cool. Whatever. Next thing. I don't know what's going on. Like, look at the light. The light is terrible again. Anyways, I'm sorry that I'm not like super energetic as I was yesterday, because I don't know, I had a big fight with my ex-boyfriend yesterday, plus I didn't sleep well, and I don't know, everything's just like... Anyways, I tried to do like a nice makeup look again so my mood would get better. Plus I made some coffee, which usually gets me like super hyped up. But I don't know, today's just like a weird day. Anyways, we're gonna move on. This is the next thing that I got. It's like a sweater vest. It's this beautiful like creamy color. I paired it with like a collared shirt under it and these white pants that I already showed you, I think. Did I show you them? Anyways, I altered these in my last video. I made a whole tutorial on how to alter pants, and if you're interested, the link is here or here and also in the bio. Anyways, it's kind of a little too long on me. I would like it to be more cropped. Something like this, you know, like a little bit more cropped, but I can always like tie it in the back. I kind of feel like a tennis player when I'm wearing this. Oh, speaking about tennis trends, I actually didn't thrift these, but I found them in our basement because my mom was going to get rid of them, and I was like, no. They are these white tennis shoes. They're from the brand Wilson. They're kind of weird, but I feel like they go with the chunky sneaker trend. Or I don't know. Also, if I would like put, oh my god, wait. See? Like with a white headband. Oh my god, this is like a whole tennis look. With these shoes, like, ooh, I'm going to my training, sorry. I'm weird, I'm sorry. Okay, the next thing is this sweater. I know Christmas is still pretty far. I mean, not that far, it's gonna be only 2 months. Okay, 2 months. And yeah, I'm not really like a Christmas sweater type of person. Honestly, I don't think I have one. And yeah, I don't think that this one is that tacky, like it's not red, green, and white as it usually is, but it's this super lovely blue color. Also, I kind of like tucked it under my bra. It's this long, but I don't like that, so I just tucked it in like this, and yeah. This is the next thing I got. It's this beautiful shirt. It's sheer and it gives me like these 70s vibes or 90s. I don't know. I just like it so much. I'm not gonna try it on because I already posted it on my Instagram. So if you want to go see how it looks on, this is my Instagram and you can go find it there. And yeah, let's move on to the next item. The next thing I got, it's not this shirt. I actually showed this in my last THRIFT haul. Link is here and also in the bio. The thing that I got are these biker shorts. They're actually not like the usual, like the legging type of material, but they are velvet, which I think makes them so much more cooler. And also they're so comfortable, which is perfect because I'm in quarantine and I'm doing online school. So I literally never leave my house. So these are gonna be perfect for just wearing around my house all the time. And yeah, I think that is everything for today. Hopefully, I'm not sure. And yeah, I'm just gonna go lay in bed, watch a movie, probably like a cartoon because I can't handle, you know, life right now. This is so weird. I feel like you can tell how bipolar I truly am. Or not bipolar. How do I say that? Yesterday, I feel like I was like hyperactive, just running around, super happy. And today I'm just like, not. Like today I'm just not in the mood to do anything. But that's okay, you know, we all have days like this. Anyways, I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And yeah, I will see you next week with another video. Okay, so bye!